This is Sketchbox. I'm pretty sure that it's June. Oh, it might not be. I don't know. It doesn't say on it. The boxes are plain now. Because I'm afraid that when I did the last one, the artist choice, I'm afraid that they sent the one that they had prepared, even though I canceled. So this could be that. So I don't know. So it's either that or Sketchbox for June. It feels fairly light. Okay, all right, this is different. This is the June one, so that's good. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna like this. Murphy will though. Oil painting. All right, I'm not happy about this, but so we got oil painting paper, 4x9, Strathmore. Murphy found the tissue paper. Oil-based mixable, water-based mixable olive oil. Water-based mixable oil color. Oh, that's Rockwell. That's the same place that makes that. We got some watercolors before, and they were made with coffee. I remember they smelled they smelled like coffee. So those are the colors, I guess. Tiny little palette. Remove film from both sides before use. Sticker. 2 palette knives. You know what I use these for is for cleaning out my little wax melt thing. But I suppose it could be used for, I like that it's got Sketchbox on it. That's kind of cute. So, I'm gonna open these. We got like a long skinny one and then kind of a teardrop shaped one. And that's it. So just the color, the palette, the paper, and a couple of palette knives. Oh, I don't want to do this. Because I don't like doing abstract stuff, so. But, oh, that's cool. We'll have to give it a try. Have I tried these before? I think I might have tried them before, but all right, let me test the colors out. You don't even need to use this. You can use watercolor paper. Well, this is white, so I'll try to cover up that stain on there. So there's that. There's white, covering up the stain, kinda. Primary yellow. It's pretty transparent. Orange. At least they sent me a good color. Although they didn't they didn't give me red. They gave me weird colors. What is this? White? Yeah, so I don't have a blue. I think I have a purple. All right, so this is the orange. Purple, so there's no blue, and there's a green. There's no red. All I got was a primary yellow. So that's the purple. I wonder if they sent everybody different colors. Well, I'm glad I at least got white. God, they had to send me this color that I ate. Maybe if I add some yellow to it, it won't be so bad. It's not as... It can... If it's a little warmer, I don't mind it as much. Like, yeah, that's not as bad, so... Ew. All right. So, those are my colors. Because these, does it look like those colors? I guess so. I don't see a lot of yellow, but it could be mixed. And that looks more reddish, though. I don't know. Or should I try this? I really don't have much interest in this, but I guess I could try. Ugh, I just don't, I wouldn't feel any satisfaction doing this picture, so I'm gonna go and think about it and see if I can figure something out. I'm probably not gonna use these. I'll use a brush or something, so we'll see. All right, I'll be back. All right, so I decided to do a bird. I had this picture. It was a little bit wider, but I just kind of shrunk it to that way. I wish I had more colors, for one thing, but I did all right because I wanted some red for that. But it was hard to get a dark color, so I mixed like all my dark colors together. It's an odd paint. It doesn't feel like oil at all. It feels like acrylic, and it dries really fast. I mean, this is like completely dry. I mean, unless it's like a big lump, like that's still a little wet, but this is completely dry. Like even, it's almost like it's fast drying acrylic. I don't know. I mean, it's okay if you want to paint. It's not my thing. I'm just not, at least right now, I'm not into painting. I'm more into like markers and stuff like that, but it's okay if you like to paint. But it is fast drying, so it's nothing like oils. Because regular oils take years to finish drying. But yeah, it's something you could try, and it's very easy to clean up. There's no mess. I think it's even easier than acrylics, really. So yeah, that's it. It's my little chickadee for that. So I guess that's it. So okay. So next week is gonna be the one I was gonna do this week. Next week is gonna be a grab bag from Sketchbox that is special or popular sets grab bag. So that'll be next week. I already filmed it. What was I going to say? Oh, I had to, I was all ready to sit down and do this, and both my cameras were dead. Both my phones were dead, so I had to charge everything again. The one I record on mostly is just a junk one. I don't even have it connected to anything. I just use it as a camera, but it runs out of battery like that. And I filmed the opening of the package, and I forgot to shut it off, and it just died. So anyway, all right, so that is it for that. There's not much to say about it because there isn't so much. I don't use these for painting. I guess you can use, I might use them for mixing, but I still usually use a brush. Like I said, I use them for digging wax out of the wax melter. That's about it. Because I like to be a little more detailed than that, but yeah, they worked okay. I mean, I wish I had different colors. That was the only issue I had, I guess. So, clean those up a little bit, and I'll put them in the giveaway box in case somebody else wants to try them. And I'll include this too, because I don't need this paper. That off of there. And probably these two and this. That's why I didn't use this. I figured I would just use paper with it. So basically the whole box is going in the box. So that's it for this week. Hope it was interesting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye. No, let me put that up to look. Yeah.